Right that.
Yo, what up YouTube? This is Steeze, and in today's video we're going to be going over how to do a righty tighty on IW4X or Modern Warfare 2. The shot is really cool. It's similar to a wrist twist, but basically the opposite, and you use your other pistol. But let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. And by the way, yo, we hit 100 subscribers, so thank you guys so much for that. I really do appreciate it. Yo, SNR servers do be playing the weekend instrumental though. But it literally is like, yep, see, Top got it. I think that that's a W though on SNR's part, making a little instrumental of that song. Ooh, Darter, no way, I just joined, bro, chill out. Jesus Christ, bro, that was good as f. Damn, son. All right, to do the righty tighty, you're gonna have to use akimbo pistols. You can use any akimbo pistol you want, but in this case, I'm gonna be showing you guys with the 44 Magnum. So to start the righty tighty, you have to have one bullet missing from your right clip. Your left clip has to be fully loaded. So you should be able to reload only your right clip. So you press X to reload, but you also have to sprint at the exact same time. And that's what the righty tighty will look like. So it's basically like the animation of your left gun is running the whole time and your right gun just stays still. And you can walk around with it, but as soon as you sprint, it goes away. That's basically how you do it though. So again, you just press X and sprint at the same time. As long as you have one bullet missing, at least one bullet missing from your right clip, it should do it. It's a little timing thing though, so you really have to make sure that you do this at the same time. Let's go ahead and try to hit a shot with the righty tighty in the kill cam. Show you guys what it looked like. I almost hit that first try. It was really bad, but bro, my sprint button is so jacked. I'm just walking forward when I'm trying to do this. Oh, my bad. Hey yo, I didn't shoot, dude. I didn't shoot. That would have hit. He said ooh. See, apparently it looks like a good shot because I got an ooh out of there. It's 552. This is how you guys do a righty tighty. On Favela too. Alright, so that's how you guys do the righty tighty. If you like this video, please drop a like, comment down below if you want to see different trick shot tutorials. We already got some ideas in the comments from some previous videos, so be on the lookout for future uploads. I stream on Twitch every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 4:30 to 7:30 US Eastern time, so pop in there, come and hang out with me, let's chat it up. Other than that, I hope this really helped you guys. Peace out. It's 552. This is how you guys do a righty tighty. On Favela too.